Hi parents, Mr. Like again. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you again for all the help that you've been putting forth with your student this year in learning science. I know with your help, my help, your teacher's help, we're going to really be getting them to like science a lot. So in this video, one of the things that we're really focused on is energy. We're looking at first the different types of energy, but I really want to focus on this idea of mechanical energy, of potential and kinetic energy. That's what applies mostly to their ramp, so that's the one that we want to kind of focus on and see if they can apply what they learned today with the vocabulary and some of the concepts that they pick up to the actual movement of the ramp, the car down the ramp. So this idea of potential energy and kinetic energy is the ultimate goal of the lesson. So potential energy is where it's high. You know, we in physics we say we do work to lift something up and give it potential energy. That potential energy then turns into kinetic energy as it goes down the track. Technically there's some heat lost and things to friction, but hopefully those are pretty minimal in terms of the amount of error we can have in our measuring devices. So thank you so much for your help. If you have any questions, please contact your teacher, or you can contact me at likescience2020@gmail.com, and we'd love to help you. Thanks a lot.